show you today. I want to share with you a folder that I made, and it's a collage folder, and I used a lot of my digital download kits that I have to make this folder. So let me show you what I did. Here in the front there's a pocket with some vintage lace and a large tag that I made. Then this piece, for example, it's a piece of the collage and it's already done for me. I just decorated with the butterflies and a little piece of the fabric collage that I have in one of the kits. This was also done for me. I just put it a label and I cut a little piece from one of the kits and decorated. So let me show you the inside. There is a pocket here, a pocket here, and a pocket in the back. So let me show you. I made a tag here with a postcard in the back to write. I made a tag or a journaling card. There's a place for you to write. This is also from the kit. I just cut the pieces and put together. This is also from the kit, a piece from the collage fabric. I made a tag. I made another tag, the collage fabric, postcard from the kit. And let me show you this side. There's a pocket here. I made this large tag. Also, this page was done for me. I just glued this flower in the front and I used my sewing machine to make a pocket. There's this piece you open. This from the kit. This is also from the kit. I just decorated the butterfly, some napkins, and some music on paper. So I made a pocket on the side, a little tag with another postcard in the back, some fabric, and this was a piece from the kit. I just glue a butterfly. This was from the kit. Tag that I made was done for me. Again, I just glued the butterfly and put a little label and I stitched it around. Same thing with this. And I made a large tag here. And so there's a pocket here, a pocket here, and a little pocket here. A place for you to write. And the back, a place for you to write here. This is a piece from the kit. Is my steam tea paper, and whenever I don't know what to do, I want a plain piece to write, but I don't want to glue a white paper or just a colored paper. So I use this piece. It's beautiful. I like it. And then the back, there's this card, and this tag or card. So there's a pocket in the back, a pocket on the side, a pocket here, and a place for you to write here. So this is also from the kit. This is also I just glue a butterfly. This is public domain image, and this is also public domain image. So this is the folder I made, my collage folder, and I will write down all the kits that I use it. So I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Bye.